Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. I am Noor Azli bin Affendy Lee and I'll be presenting for ICEELST March 2023. I'm from UiTM Cawangan Pulau Pinang and my title is Features of an Integrated ESL Learning Activity Website and its Users Feedback. Okay, so the website that I have designed is called You Boleh I Boleh. University blended and open learning for English, You Boleh, integrating and building opportunities for learning of English, I Boleh. So why is it created? Because in UITM, we have a course called ELC151 Integrated Language Skills 2, which is being given to being given to diploma students, okay, semester 2. Okay, so this English course is to sharpen their English skills, okay, when it comes to listening, reading, speaking, as well as writing. So what happened is created this website to actually help students as well as lecturers when it comes to language activities or practices in the class. So the website features weekly activities. Okay, so because in for learning the course, there are 14 weeks in one semester. So this website have weekly activities. So week 1 until week 14. So it's easier for students to follow as well as they can do the task that is for that week itself to improve their English. So apart from that, we have practices related to literature, reading, listening, games, speaking tasks, forum discussion, and previous semester's tests. Okay, when it comes to literature, the website itself has stories, okay, poems, as well as also features blogs. Okay, when it comes to practicing English, learning English, we want our students to be more into literature, more into reading stories, so that they can actually improve their critical thinking skills. So each stories will come with a question for them to ponder on to sharpen their critical thinking skills related to the story or to the poem. And then we also use the blog features of the website to actually include more stories for them to read during their free time, okay, to improve their vocabulary. Okay, and then we have reading practices. The website also, I Boleh have reading practices where it have newsletters, articles, and previous semester's tests. So what happened is instructions are given to each of the practice. So each practice have their own separate instruction where students can actually just follow the instructions. Okay, the users can follow the instruction and then just download the article in PDF form or go to the link. When they click on the article, the link it will go to a certain website, and then there is a link for exercises. So these exercises or practices will be in Google Form. Okay, in Google Form, and then they just need to do the practices and then submit, and then they can check the answers. So all of this actually we try to encourage autonomy, learners autonomy, meaning they can actually self-learn, okay, and self-practice without the help of the lecturer. So the same goes with listening, but for listening, we provide with users with songs, news items, and podcasts. Okay, so what happened is users of this website can actually go to the website and download the songs themselves, or they can actually play the songs on the website and listen to the songs while doing their activity or doing their task. Okay, apart from that, we have podcasts as well where they can actually play videos. Okay, videos, because this website can link to YouTube. So they can play video and watch the video while doing the activities or doing the task in Google Form. Apart from that, to make sure it is more interactive, it is more fun, the website also includes games as well. So we have puzzles such as crossword puzzles, we have idioms, we have other games from Quizlet, and as well as from WISC Online, WISC Online. So from here, I actually did a lot of activities, okay, in this website, and then I linked the website into I linked this gaming website into this You Boleh I Boleh website for students to actually do it inside the website itself. Okay, inside the website itself. So it's quite fun. So apart from that, we also have speaking tasks and forum discussion, where speaking tasks, students can actually read the instructions and then download the speaking task sets for them to practice among themselves, or they can actually discuss with the lecturer and practice in front of the lecturer via Google Meet and so on and so forth. But here is just what I call the instructions only. There's no there's no practice, online practice, okay, in the website, using the website. However, they can actually discuss, okay, in the forum what I call feature of the website, have the discussion feature. So they can actually write a question or answer the question and then share, and then they can write comment, they can like, they can reply other people's comments or replies and so on and so forth. So that is the forum section, the forum feature. So we go to the user backs, the users feedbacks. Okay, so what are the background of the users? So there were 245 respondents who actually used the website and responded using the Google survey. So most of them are female. And because this code, this ELC151 English code, it is a servicing code, meaning it services all faculties in UiTM Penang. So we have students from different faculties. And most of them are from semester 2 because this course is being offered in semester 2. You can see that there are like 15 students from semester 2 because they were repeaters. They repeated the course because they failed last semester. So when they repeated, they use this website for them to improve their English. Okay, so what are their feedbacks? So when it comes to comparison between websites, meaning You Boleh I Boleh with other websites such as UFuture and Island, which is UiTM website for teaching as well as for assessment, okay, or MOOC website. So most of them much prefer You Boleh I Boleh because of the accessibility. Very easy to access. You can access it anywhere, anytime, and as long as you have the internet connection, and it does not take a lot of internet data. Okay, so that is why I think most of them prefer You Boleh I Boleh compared to the other website. But when it comes to Google Meet and YouTube, there are still people prefer You Boleh I Boleh, but there are also neutral. Okay, people who think neutral is just they also, some of them prefer Google Meet, some of them prefer YouTube to learn English. Okay, so when it comes to their feedback, in general, in terms of the website use, so I use the technology acceptor model. So as you can see here, perceived usefulness, perceived ease of use, the attitudes, behavioral intention to use, self-efficacy, subjective norm, and system accessibility. Every of this survey, okay, with the scale 1 to 7, 1 is being disagree or dissatisfied, and 7 being strongly agreed or very satisfied. Most of them answered in the agree area, okay, in the agree skill, which is a very good thing for this website. Okay, so when it comes to suggestions and recommendation, as you can see that I have ticked some suggestion and recommendation. So all of them are satisfied with the website, but there were suggestions as well where, for example, insert more songs, add more videos, add more audios, and then it's really good, but need to be upgrade the game section, meaning they want more games. They want more tips on how to answer correctly. The template should be more interactive or interesting. They want to add in movie review tasks, because movie review is for the semester 3. Semester 3, when they take ELC, the next semester they will be taking another English course. It is going to they have movie review, and then give grammar activities more, and then again the template, games, and answers to check. Okay, PDF answer instead of answering the Google Doc. So all in all, I can just conclude based on these recommendations that in order for us to actually do or create a website to teach our students, especially language or other courses in that matter, right? I think students would prefer, in order to have a lot of audios, especially like songs for them to listen to while they are studying or they are doing their work, as well as video to help them to understand better. Apart from that, they also would like to have tips on how to answer certain tasks correctly so that they are not lost, rather than they just look at do a lot of exercises. They want tips to answer so that it is correct. Okay, and then of course games are very requested by students because it makes the learning more fun. So my suggestion is, based on this study, my suggestion is, if we want to make sure that our teaching and learning is much more effective with our students nowadays, we need to add in all these kind of things. We need to add in videos. We need to have a lot of interactive games so that their attention span is there. They can actually understand better. They can actually what I call love to use the website again and again. So by that, thank you very much. I will end this presentation. So I hope that all of you what I call is interested in my presentation. So if you're interested to go into the website, it's youbolehibole.wixsite.com. I use wix/ELC151. So if you want to contact me, my number and my email address is there. So I think that is all. Thank you very much and have a nice day.